How's it going? Barnaby here. We're going to be talking about the Johnson GlowView digital level. And this is Phil Gurink right here from Pioneer. And what sort of work does Pioneer do?
Pioneer does industrial, commercial type buildings.
Excellent. So we put this into your hands for a couple of weeks. Let's talk about what sort of things you used it for.
Yeah, we are in the stage of our construction where we're doing millwork. So we use it a lot on some cabinetry, setting door frames. We're doing some outside concrete work, so we brought it outside and used it on some of our sidewalks and so on.
Mm-hmm. And so it is digital. It does have the bubbles, but it also has a wonderful feature here, which is digital. How did that come into play? How much better was digital than just looking at bubbles for level?
Well, believe it or not, it's very accurate when you're using a digital function on it, because it has it reads zero. It reads zero, or it has an audio button that you can push and make it audio when it comes to perfectly level. So if you cannot view the bubble or view the digital readout, you can get it accurate by audio. It'll tell you.
Okay, and so you're doing some sidewalk work. You said this came into play for that because you have to have a certain grade allowable, right?
Yeah, the city makes you stay within 2% maximum of grade, and it has a readout of percentage. So you can there's a mode button that you can get it to percentage or degrees, which we put it to percentage and can read exactly where we're at with that.
Hey, I got a question for you. It reads level, but plumb as well. It gives you the readout.
It does. It gives you a readout for plumb as well. Yeah.
And this screen has some adjustability to it?
Yeah, it's got a dial on here that you can turn it upright if you're looking at it this way, or from the other side. So that's a very handy thing to have.
Okay, what about the GlowView technology? It is the bubble, the tried and true part of the level, but this makes it more visible, does it?
Yeah, it really does. You can see it in a lot lower light than a normal level, we've found, and that's really a plus as you get older.
Okay, and so as you make a recommendation on this, having used it for a couple of weeks, who is it for?
Yeah, this is for anyone that needs a level. It's a very good level for plumbing and for accuracy. I guess a concrete guy, especially maybe on some sidewalks and so on, that you'd need to get some real accuracy with percentages or so on, it would work great for him. Just looks like it's very durable and looks like a good all-around level. And
so you like the overall design of it, the way that it feels?
Yes, yeah. It's real comfortable to handle, and it seems like it's built well.
All righty. Well, I'll tell you what, there you have it. Everything you need to know about the Johnson GlowView digital level, straight from Phil of Pioneer Construction. Just one of the many features of toolselect.com, where you hear from people out in the field what they think about the tools you're considering buying.